Jungle.
So my hair is freshly washed. It's still air drying. Stretch it out. I'm going to fluff it up. I'm going to make it look real juicy. Okay, so I did buy some new products from the drugstore the other day. I bought this hard candy body luminizer. It was about $10. It's like the dupe for the Rihanna body lava or body glow or something like that. I also bought a new beauty blender. It feels like the material is a little different. I don't know, it's like one of those, it's almost like a velvet material. It's like a velvet, it feels like a velvet material. I also bought the NYX Professional Ultimate Edit palette. It's like a little tiny palette, but I see it had really fun colors in it, so I wanted to try this palette out today. Also, I bought, put the top back on so you guys can see. I also bought the Wet n Wild Photo Focus setting powder in the color Banana. So, and also I bought a new foundation. I bought the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation. This is how it looks. I got it in the color 515 Copper. The color Copper. Now, let's just be real. This color is probably too dark for me, but I'm going to use the concealer to see if it kind of like balances it out. Now, I haven't used this foundation yet, but it's supposed to be a 24-hour long wear, but it's supposed to be like a semi-matte. It's not supposed to be like a straight matte finish. And I also bought the matching concealer. I bought this in the color Almond. I also bought the NYX Tame Frame Tinted Brow Pomade in the color Espresso. I'm going to clean up my brows really quick with this little razor.
Jungle. Jungle. Audio 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 Jungle.
My makeup, I'm just gonna go ahead and do my hair. My hair is freshly washed. Again, I use one product, and I can link that video in the description below so you guys know what product that I use. So what I'm just about to do is I'm about to just do a little bit of oil sheen and spray a little bit of oil sheen on my hair, and then stretch my hair and fluff it, and that's it.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
in makeup tutorial. I know you guys missed my natural hair. I missed it too, honestly, because like I said, I just have not been feeling well. I'm glad that I'm finally getting my spirits back up and I'm feeling better. Just a lot of stuff that's going on in my life. A lot of stuff that's going on. A lot of different stuff. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Audio Jungle.